Hey guys, I'm Rick White, and today we're doing Budgie Bathtime with my little Budgie Kai.
Hello, it's Colton in the background. Hello, hello, hello.
But here we have my little Budgie Kai, and she has warm water in her tub. I took the cover off the tub because she's just going to be doing it on the top of her cage. She has a little perch up there. So Kai, it's bath time. Oh, you're going to slip. You're going to slip. She's already pretty wet. She just pooped in there.
She just pooped in the water?
Yes, she pooped in the water. Well, at least you think it's a toilet. And you can't actually... Oh my god, no. What are you doing? What are you doing, little young one? She's like a little torpedo. Kai! We'll have to end the video here. Sorry this was a short one, but she's having a little bit of trouble.